Welcome to AEL. In this video, I will introduce you to a simple microchip that behaves almost like a microcontroller, the 555 timer IC. Let's get into it. What is the 555 timer? The 555 is an integrated circuit used for timing, pulse generation, and oscillator applications. Why is it important? In electronics, not every circuit requires memory. If you need to design a system that simply turns things on or off or produces pulses, the 555 timer is a great solution. It can be configured in three main modes: Astable, Monostable, and Bistable. Its simple design and ability to work with just a few external components like resistors and capacitors make it easy to use for both beginners and experienced engineers. The 555 is also very inexpensive, making it one of the most popular ICs for electronics projects. It can operate across a wide supply voltage range, 4 volt to 16 volt, which means it's perfect for battery-powered applications without needing a voltage regulator. Another key feature is its high output current capacity, up to 200 mA. This allows it to directly drive loads like relays, LEDs, or buzzers, without requiring an external transistor. Pin configuration and functions. The 555 IC has 8 pins, some are inputs, some are outputs, and some are both. 1 is ground pin. 2 is trigger pin, it is responsible for switching the flip-flop from reset to set. The output depends on the trigger pulse applied here. 3 is output pin, it delivers the timer's output waveform. 4 is reset pin, a negative pulse resets the timer. If not used, connect it to VCC to avoid false triggering. 5 is control pin, it allows you to adjust the threshold and trigger levels. An external voltage here can modulate the output. 6 is threshold pin, it compares the applied voltage to 2/3 VCC. When reached, it resets the output. 7 is discharge pin, it discharges the timing capacitor between intervals. 8 is VCC, it powers the IC. The 555 works by charging and discharging a capacitor through resistors, which creates on and off timing cycles. It generally operates in 3 modes: Astable, Monostable and Bistable mode. In the next video, we will look at the Astable mode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to AEL. Keep experimenting, and see you in the next video.